glues we get is what we get to mix together.
After we pick our first 3 glues, we're gonna play left, right, center to see if anybody gets to trade. Let's get started!
We are playing rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to go first. You two first.
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
No!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Yeah!
I'm first! I'm second. I'm third. Here I go. Oh,
This one? This one. What?
woo! I think those are good colors. You got gold, show them gold, pink, and
purple.
clear purple.
Now we're gonna mix it up for Kaden. Close your eyes. I hope he doesn't get gold.
I hope I get a gold or silver or no glow in the dark ones. Or
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Clear it over your eyes. No!
I think it's gonna make. Let's see.
I would say green because green's the darkest.
Maybe it's gonna turn. Maybe kind
Brown.
of like. Well, like maybe darkish, pinkish or goldish. I think maybe. Sweet! It's finally my turn.
Let's mix it up. Close your eyes.
Okay, go.
Pick your color.
Hey, you guys. I feel like this is a good one.
Pick your other ones.
Oh.
She gonna pick that one? Oh no. Yay, she picked the bad one. I tricked her.
Oh. I think mine's gonna make purple because blue and pink is purple. But here's the twist. We each get to roll these dice 3 times to see if we get to trade left, right, or center. Woo! If you get a die, you don't get a trade.
I'm first. Oops. Try again. Right. I pick this one.
No. I'm not trading with you.
This one.
Okay, fine. My turn.
Do not trade it back.
I got a center.
You're gonna pick the last gold. No.
Let's see. Or are you gonna pick glow in the dark? Glow in the dark. I'm picking glow in the dark. Want this yellow? Is this glow in the dark?
Yeah. There's also a pink and
I wanted also the pink.
there's also
Is there any gold ones?
no.
There's no gold ones. Is there anyone that? Okay, never.
Oh, yeah,
there are
just-
gold ones.
That's
Wait,
a
that's.
a plain gold
Oh
one.
no, that's. Okay, yeah. Woo! My turn.
Ah, she gets her keepers. Okay, it's my turn. Right again. I picked this one.
Hey! Dang it! Don't worry, it's my turn. I'm gonna get it back.
Don't get left.
No! Okay, my turn.
Hope I get a center.
Crossies. Lavender.
She's gonna pick another gold in the dark one.
Glow in the dark pink.
Knew it. Okay, it's my turn. Hope I get at least this one or this one. Don't get a 7.
You gotta keep it.
Oh.
Yes, your turn.
Last turn.
7. I'm keeping my stuff. Last turn. Keep it.
Let's keep it. Okay, let's get started. I don't like these colors.
I love my colors because I got 2 in the glow and the dark color, and I already know it's probably gonna end up purple. But including this pink, I don't know, maybe light purple. I think my colors are gonna be great.
I get to go first.
That is a lot of glue.
Now it's time for pink.
I like that peachy color. I was gonna get it right. Looks like a watermelon.
Time for purple.
Like
Blue. Purple over here. Blue.
Looks like it's gonna turn out blue now. My turn.
Just dump this.
Whoa. That's definitely not even close to. Well, yeah, it's gold.
It's totally gold. Yeah, it's totally gold. Okay, push grenade! Ah!
Now yellow. Yellow or gold?
Broken.
Probably gold. Time for glow in the dark. Whoa. That's really glittery. I'm nervous how yours is.
Don't defeat the gold! Please! Please go in the dark. Don't defeat the gold.
Don't defeat it. Don't. Bye-bye. I'm done. My turn. Finally.
Which one should I do?
Yeah. Whoa! Okay, let's go to the next one. Glow in the dark still. Whoa! Ah! Okay, this is even harder. It just gets to easy and hard. Just hold it and let it drip out. Like what? When it's going to. See, it's slowly. Whoa! Okay, that works. Mine looks like unicorn colors. Mine's gonna look like gold at the end of the rainbow.
Mine doesn't look like watermelon anymore.
So I am gonna actually, on some videos that I saw on YouTube, when they don't mix their glues together and they just dump the borax in and it just stays the way it is. So I'm not gonna mix. I'm gonna use fast. Yeah, but then if you don't mix, then it wouldn't glow in the dark. I'm gonna mix, and I also think this is kind of like clearish thingy, and there's yellow sparkles and gold sparkles in it, so I think it would turn out goldish, yellowish thingy kind of thing.
I think mine will turn out like a watermelon.
A watermelon.
Because there's like white, green, pink, and purple. So that will make it look like a watermelon.
I think mine's gonna look like tuxedos. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the borax. I'm gonna mix while she's doing it. This is just borax and water mixed together. It's the activator to make slime.
I'm going to put some in too.
Whoa! 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 Oh! Oh, just leave it. Just leave it. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, pink is fighting green. Here you go.
We're going to start out with this.
Let me do it. Let me have some.
It's quicksand my spoon. It's quicksand. But he's stirring it around. Whoa. I don't know if yours will stick.
I'm not gonna mix. I'm just gonna mix with my hand.
You have to mix this.
Oh, I just touched it. Oh, it's staying where it is. Whoa! Look at this. Just when I start mixing it.
I think I put a lot of activator in. Whoa.
This is so cool. And
I think this is way too much activator.
It's turning purple now. But it's cool. It's like a planet, like a type of.
I don't know if I can touch this again.
It's like a sunset. I don't know what to call it. It's like looks like a unicorn, I guess.
It looks like unicorn land.
Feels weird.
Oh, I put too much activator.
You made your own unicorn land, Jazz. Hooray! Kaden, can someone grab the activator and put some in?
Yeah. Kaden, can you put the rest of the activator in?
The rest?
A lot.
Put my hand in it. Okay, I'm just gonna put my hand in it this time.
Whoa.
Whoa, this feels so nice.
Don't put yours in there. Mine looks like but yours looks like mud to me. You mean
Whoa! Let's see if mine is stretchy.
I like to need it.
I like to need it.
Maybe I should pull mine out. It looks ugly. Mine looks pretty.
Prettier. His looks the prettiest. I guess that's it.
No.
Okay. I want to touch it.
No.
Oh, no.
I told
Mine's kind of stiff. Mine is exactly how I wanted it to be.
Hey guys!
Oh!
Hey guys, let's test it out in the dark.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Easy. Mine turned out the exact same color I expected. I'm gonna show you if it glows in the dark. We're seeing if ours glow in the dark. Whoa! Look! Look! Oh! Literally! Holy macaroni! Whoa! Ours looks the same now. Look. Hey, don't! This is mine. I'm Jazzy. This is mine. I'm Kaden. My slime looks like a gold brick. See? I don't know why it went wrong, but I would vote for Jack's even though his is the ugliest, but I would say his is more like softer. Doesn't look soft, but it's softer.
It's stretchier.
I'll show you a stretch. Ready?
Well, we're gonna have to do a redo because I don't like mine.
You mean you hate it? It's because we didn't add shaving cream. Mine looks like an octopus.
No, it doesn't. It looks like a unicorn.
I'm naming mine Fluffy Unicorn. Actually, just unicorn. It's not fluffy at all. I'm naming my slime Harold. No! I'm gonna name mine
George.
George. Professor Goldie Pants. Okay.
And I'm gonna name mine Mr. Doofus.
I made a taco. The question of today is, who made the best one? Comment down below if you think we should do a redo.
Comment down.
Subscribe below. And give us a big thumbs up if you like it.
Comment down below, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Oh, snap. The first one to comment down below will get my slime. Ouch.